Welcome to this beautiful 3-bedroom, 3-bath condo located just 1 block to Cannon Beach. An ideal location, close to the charming town's boutiques, cafes, and dining. It's also grandfathered in hotel zoning with a great rental history and can be rented every night. Thoughtfully designed, it has 2 separate entrances. On the upper level, you'll find an inviting living room with vaulted ceilings and a gas fireplace. From here, head out to the private deck. The living room opens to the kitchen, featuring stainless appliances and bar seating. Just a few steps away is one of 2 master suites, a romantic retreat with a gas fireplace and its own deck. And its own master bath. On the lower level, you'll find another spacious master suite, also with a cozy fireplace, its own deck, and master bath. This home of more than 1,400 square feet has another large bedroom and a full bath. It includes a covered parking space, a fabulous opportunity for a fantastic rental property. Don't miss your opportunity to invest in Cannon Beach. For more information or for your own personal tour, please contact Michael Davis with Premier Property Group at 503-440-2747.